Why have I never had one of these?
I am out camping with Tyler and our friends, and look at this view right now. It's currently 0 degrees. Like, the river is right there, but you can't see it because it's so foggy. It's crazy. But we currently got here last night in the pitch black. Like, there was no light, there was nothing, so we were setting up in the dark, and I was gonna film last night, but it would just be impossible. Like, you wouldn't have been able to see anything. So here I am vlogging in the morning, but it's so cold and no one else is up except Casey. I don't know if you want to be on the film. Not yet. Is it warm by the fire?
It's very warm by the fire.
I can't bring myself to like go from here to there. I'm putting my thermals on because it's so cold. I need to put my contact in so I can see. Put on my hoodie. Oh, this is on backwards. Are you kidding me? Did you guys hear the trees creak last night? No, they were genuinely creaking and I was like,
someone's gonna die.
Where's my freaking hairbrush? Oh, I cannot feel my hands. Let's go do my skincare first. I can't be out there with crusty ass skin. Moisturizer. I need some of that sunscreen. Gonna wipe myself down. I'm feeling gross. I finally bought this. It smells so good, by the way. I'm gonna be smelling like smoke, fire, and coconut and vanilla. Oh hell yeah. We're ready for the day. Let's go. I just gotta brush my teeth. Do you like our little, I bought these yesterday for us. They're little toothbrush holders there. Cute. They're like $2 from Coles.
I just spent the morning listening to the trees creaking. Oh,
so you heard them too. Everyone else is looking at me like,
Huh?
okay, good morning. It's so cold. I need to grab my shoes. Oh, I can't balance. I left my toothbrush up there. I actually can't feel my fingers right now. Like, it's so cold. This is gonna be a very cold toothbrushing. Yeah, thanks. Guys, look at the trees and the fog and everything. Like, it's that cold. I actually can't feel my fingers. They're freezing. We'll definitely go for explore later, but for now, I'm going to the fire.
Hey, Shelly.
Hi.
This is my breakfast. Blake. Blake.
No, thank you.
Can't get him. There he is.
This is my little camping mug. Got it from Kmart. It's just so cute. I'm gonna have a coffee. I've had a banana and now it's time for a coffee. Oh, that's crispy. This is Blake. Hi, Blake. What do you have? Oh, is that your toy? Nice. It's ball.
Brand new. Yeah, sold 5 seconds ago.
Hello, little ducky. Casey just found a scorpion on the ground.
Oh, what the hell?
Catch and release, we love. Alright, so we're gonna cook some breakfast. We're thinking like bacon and eggs, and Casey has made up this homemade spatula. I love that. Oh hell yeah.
Bit of mother to sizzle.
Bit of seasoning, we love that.
We're filming your back. Casey.
Yearning for the bacon.
Shelly, are you toast done?
Alright, so this is my toast. Slay.
Did anyone have salt and pepper? Oh, Jackson, you are a savior. Thank you. Stunning. Not the most aesthetically pleasing, but it tastes really good. What do you have?
Bacon and egg roll.
Nice. The boys were playing footy and Tyler's doing the walk of shame. Oh, hell yeah. Go, Tyler, go. Go, Tyler, go.
We have these solar panels, obviously, to make it cute. So we're gonna pop these up. We're supposed to get sunlight today, but I don't know when that's coming. I don't even know if they will refer to them.
It's just me and Blake at the moment because everyone has just nicked into town to, like, you know, poop, get some food, you know, do all that stuff. And there's another one of our friends here as well. I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil. We have this like little kettle I bought from Anaconda. I don't know how well it's doing its job, but anyway, because I'm just gonna do some dishes and stuff. Like, I'm being the housemaid of the camping committee, you know, I'm the cleaner, it's me. Just to like keep on top of things, and that way when it gets to lunchtime we have clean dishes and stuff, you know what I mean? Like, it's just so much easier. I will be that bitch. I'm the clean freak. Let's go. So I'm just heating up some water so that I can have some dishwater to work with. Okay, there's smoke coming out of my kettle, so I think that's a great indicator that it's time to do the dishes.
Cups. We had to get water. Longer tongs because we almost burned our hands.
We can spatula.
Yes, and a spatula. Jax, you got the long tongs. Keep away from the fire. Casey almost lost his eyebrows, so what are you doing, Charlie?
Huh?
What did you get, Mia?
Salt? Well, there's an oxy shred, but it's caffeine.
We have returned. Shelly, did you keep the fire going? Where the fuck are the flames?
They're there.
Casey, this is on you too.
The fire is fine.
Casey, support your brother. Like an old jacket. Support your brother.
One like.
Turn around and be way more comfortable.
They did it. They're like setting up this golf thing. All like 3 of them bought the same golf game, so they're setting it up. I don't even know what it is, but we're about to find out. This is their little golf game.
More middled, hang on. It was maybe a bit more. Can't tie knots?
Tie lots?
Yeah, tie knots.
What shirt are you wearing underneath? Why is it sticking there?
Honestly, if this ain't living, I don't know what is. I've got my colourful pens. I'm feeling peaceful. I'm feeling good. There's a little bird up there. There's a little corella. Oh, there's 2 up there. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's loving that. Oh, go Blake. Go Blake, go. That's a good stick you've got there, Blake.
I know. It floats.
Yeah, we're making s'mores right now.
This is my first time making a s'more, so I need the
It's s'more.
biscuit.
What?
How do I do it? The fuck?
You roast marshmallows. God.
Just 2?
Yeah, just 2 will do. I only had 1 in mine, but 2's good, yeah. Marshmallow toast in montage. Damn. Now you smush it
Oh my god.
and you eat.
This is my first ever s'more. Oh, it's stuck to me. It's actually really good. Why have I never had one of these before?
That's the same thing I'm thinking.
At first it's like a hidden marshmallow and you're like, but then you get the biscuit part. It's really good.
Nice review.
10 out of 10.
I thought we were putting another one on top of that one.
Does he have one?
Yeah.
Oh, he's been trying all day to get a fish. And he does not have one. Keep trying, Case, you'll get one. Go, Tyler, go. Go, Tyler, go. Holy shit, you're so fast.
Fuck, boy.
Just a bit of late night entertainment. Or early afternoon, I should say. They're all disappeared. They're everywhere. Charlie's like sitting there like he's just done the worst crime ever. Oh, that was so close. I don't even know how they got into this, but what started this? You just want to hurt each other.
Yeah, no respect. Lack of respect.
What are we doing for dinner?
Pizza shapes,
Yep.
Sour squirms.
sour squirms,
Yep. Love it.
Pringles,
Yeah.
wherever they were.
Nutritious.
We're actually out of sour worms.
We're out of sour
We got Scotch fillet and lamb barbie chops.
We're living it up.
It'd be that far away. I think we're further away.
If Carla gets steak, is there a steak? Well, that's what I want.
So we're having dinner and we just saw this like spooky vibe coming through the trees. And look, there's a little paddle steamer on its way. If we walk over to the bank, it's so dark, you guys are not even going to be able to see. We have to pull in our little fishing lines. Here it comes. It's not spooky now that we know it's a paddle steamer, but before, with the steam and the lights, we're like, what the hell is that? Oh, hi. It's a couple of days after we actually went camping. Honestly, camping was a 10 out of 10 experience, but I didn't film the next day purely because I woke up dead. Not literally, obviously, but I woke up with a cold. Basically, yeah, we packed up, I complained about my sickness. Emma, the fuck? She's like sitting on my phone. You can't do that, babe. We went and had breakfast together and then we all said goodbye and I sat in the shower for about 20 minutes marinating and trying to clear out my sinuses. I feel kind of bad because I did want to do more with the vlog. Like I wanted to do more segments with my friends and like actually introduce them to you guys. Like you have no idea who these people are. These strangers you just watched for the last 14 minutes. Who are these people? I mean, throughout the vlog, you kind of heard their names, but they weren't properly introduced. And I feel so bad because I wanted to do more with that. Emma, for goodness sake, but I just didn't. So I'm so sorry, guys. If you've gotten this far, I want you to leave the little tent emoji down below. That is so much blush so that I can give you some extra loving because you watch this whole thing. I love you. I need to fix my blush. Holy shit. I'm gonna leave the vlog there. I just wanted to do a little outro to explain why it cut off so abruptly from the paddle steamer. But yeah, it was a really good time. 10 out of 10, would do it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos as well because it helps me so much more than you know. And without further ado, I'm gonna keep getting ready because I'm gonna film another video and I'll see you guys on Sunday. So bye.